With full campgrounds at Zion National Park, you may be looking for other places to camp. In tonight's Consumer File, Debbie Dujanovic shows us how some smartphone apps could find the perfect spot.
The O-Ranger app puts a guide to national, state, and local parks right in your hand. The app provides information about national forests, wildlife refuges, and lots more. Enter your current location, and the app gets you headed in the right direction. O-Ranger also allows you to search for outdoor activities like hiking or fishing. The app is free for iOS and for Android. The Camp Finder app has information about 19,000 private and public campgrounds, RV parks, and RV resources across the country. You can quickly find rates, see photos, and read reviews, along with details about amenities like Wi-Fi and RV hookups. The cost, $3.99 for iOS, $2.99 for Android. RV Parks and Campgrounds delivers information about more than 40,000 RV parks, campgrounds, rest areas, and Walmarts that welcome overnight stays. Commercial RV parks are sorted by rating. Enable the app to see your current location. It'll show you everything that's nearby. And the app is free for both types of phones. Debbie Dujanovic, KSL 5 News.
Thanks, Debbie. Campers locally are being reminded to check on the status of your campsite because, as we've seen this week, some are still covered in snow.
Perfect.